Olá and welcome. Simple and humble. This is the foundation of Portuguese cuisine. And this is a dish that represents it at its best. You can eat it as a side dish, you can eat it as a main dish. It's perfect for every occasion. And wait till you see what I'm gonna put on top of it at the end. So if you have any old bread at home, let's make my prawn bread soup. The big secret for this dish is the stock we're gonna make. So we're gonna start with our prawns. We're gonna deshell them, devein them, and we're gonna save all the shells and heads to help build flavor in our stock. Using this piece here makes it really easy. Just pop the head down, get it right to the end, and shell is out. Save it, find the vein. There it is. If you don't have this, same process, we just need to manually remove everything. And at the end, dice the onions. Smash the garlic. Drizzle of olive oil, couple of bay leaves. With the pan nice and hot, just roll the prawn heads and shells into the pan. We want to get all that flavor out so it goes into our stock. Get all the heads in, just fry them up along with the onion and keep smashing all those heads to get all that flavor out. Garlic goes in, fish sauce, some white vinegar, garlic powder, some onion powder, some garlic paste, bit of cayenne pepper, some white pepper, some smoked paprika, one seafood stock, one vegetable stock, and we're gonna top it up with some boiling water. We're gonna cook it for 40 to 60 minutes so we can reduce it to half to concentrate all the flavors in this stock. While our stock reduces, we're gonna prepare everything else. We're gonna season all these prawns with some salt, bit of lemon juice, some garlic paste, and some smoked paprika. And just let it marinate in this for 20 to 30 minutes. A little bit of oil into the pan. Just keep tasting your stock to not over-reduce it, or the flavor will overpower your palate. If that happens, just add some water to dilute it and mellow it down. We're gonna break our bread into pieces and set it aside. We want really stale bread here. Whenever you use anchovies, never use a lot of it. If you overdo it, it'll overpower any dish you make. Try and dice it in really small pieces. The original dish is very one-dimensional in terms of textures. We have the crunchiness with the prawn. Try and add a bit more dimension. Breadcrumbs go in. Throw a little bit of garlic paste. Want a nice, strong, garlicky flavor in this. Throw onions in. Get our anchovies in. Lower the heat now, and our topping is ready. Let's try it. Oh wow, just a bomb. Needs a bit of freshness to balance it out. Try again. Oh yeah. That's it. Add some salt, pepper. Making sure you squeeze all the liquid out of this. Adding stock into our bread. And starting to break our bread. And just keep adding stock as necessary. Some olive oil in the pan, onions in the pan, pinch of salt, pinch of sugar, splash of vinegar, garlic paste, garlic powder. Put half the bread in. You want to fry the bread a little bit. Or after this, we return to our stock. Because we want a soupy texture here. This is the texture I like. Get our prawns in. Perfect. Oh, finish it off, bit of lemon juice. Turn the heat off. 2 eggs. Just involve all of it. What we want is this shiny, beautiful prawn bread soup. Some parsley. Now it's time to taste it. I don't know what to say. It's just perfect. The topping that we used, that bread with the anchovies and the lemon zest, take this dish to a whole new level. So good. Another one. Don't overdo on the topping, it's very strong. Just use it carefully and will complement the dish really, really well. If you overdo it, I think will overpower the flavor of the prawn, but just a little bit. Try it at home. If you have any old bread, do this dish. That's why it's one of the bases of Portuguese cuisine, because it uses an old ingredient, bread that we had there. It was getting hard. We use it to make this dish. In this case, we use prawn. You can use bacon. You can do just vegetables. Anything you want. I will soon show different flavors for this type of dish. Same as my last video, the caramelized onions. If you didn't see that, check the link in the description. This topping is super powerful. It's like flavor bomb. So you need to use it very sparingly. So try this dish at home. Let me know in the comments what you think. And if you like this dish, take a second to subscribe to the channel. It will really help me out. And I will see you on the next video.